How to connect Snake Rivals to Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily link your account. First of all, open the application. So now I'm inside the game. Here on the top, there's a section of Facebook Connect. Simply tap on Facebook, and this is the place where you can easily connect it. Here, simply tap on Connect. So make sure you have your Facebook ID and password logged in inside the Facebook app. Later, you can directly continue and it will be directly linked with it. So it will take some time, and here tap on continue. So after you do this, this account will be linked to your Snake Rivals. At last, you can start playing and even your progress will be saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.